So in this video we are going to learn how to extract your study area from the shape file and how to mosaic to satellite image and how to mask your study area using your study area. So in my case my study area is Faridabad. Okay, this is my study area. So this is my two images, the first part and the second part. Okay, so what you have to do, so at first you have to extract your study area. So I have already selected, then you have to go over there and export. Okay, and then okay then you have to select your study area using, okay, and then export, save, select feature as, and then I'm going to choose my folder which is inside my F drive. So it should be Mosaic. Okay, write down Faridabad. Okay, and then you have to click OK. This is already extracted, so I don't need this one. Okay, remove. Okay, so zoom to layer. This is my study area. Okay, so if I checked this image, look at that. So this satellite image covered half of my study area, so I need to download another part. So I have already downloaded. Look at that. Okay, so now it's full covered. Okay, now it's full covered. So okay, the first image and the second image. So now I have to merge. So how? So at first you have to go to the raster option and then miscellaneous and then merge. Okay, and then select all these two images and then okay, and then you have to select which is the image function. Okay, just cross this one and then properties, go to information and look at that, it's unit 16. Okay, and then cancel, go to the raster and then merge option and then select all of these two images and then okay, and then this one. Okay, and then I'm going to save this file in my folder and which is inside Mosaic and merge. Okay, and then extension. So I need as a TIFF file. So like if you have to go above, tar BRT. Okay, so there is, look at that, is a TIFF file, and then save, and then don't need to do anything, advanced setting, go to advanced setting and then set no data 0 as well as the not. Okay, and then you don't need to not do anything, just run. Okay, so it will take few moments, like a 1 or 2 3 minutes based on your computer speed. Okay, okay, now it's done. Okay, and then close it. Okay, so I don't need these two images. Okay, remove layer. Okay, now that the two images already merge. Okay, and then what you need to do, you have to mask. So how? Just need to click over there and then processing toolbox panel, I need to search is mask. Okay, so over there it is clip raster by mask layer. Click and then just simply this is my merge image and mask layer is my Faridabad district, and then set no data value as a 0. Okay, target extent as a 0, not set. Okay, and then what you need to do, simply save it. In my case, mask dot t file. Okay, dot t file. Save and then run. Okay, close this one and then look at that. So if I change this color, go to properties and simple fill and solid to no brush, and simple fill is red. Okay, and stroke white is maybe 1. Okay, apply. Okay, so look at that, the image is already masked. So that's the basic step by step process I have showed you, how to extract your study area from the vector layer and how to merge two images into a single image and how to mask your study area using your study area save file. Okay, so this is the process. You can proceed for your further step or maybe practice. If you have any question, leave the comment. Okay, thank you very much.